Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and one of the things that a lot of people have the impression that they have to do is download something to watch or see PDF files or portable document files. PDFs are extremely popular. They are documents that are basically almost every book, every instruction manual, and even some forms will be in PDF. And one of the things that people, for a long time we had to download Adobe Reader and stuff like that. We don't have to anymore because the browsers we use actually are great PDF viewers, especially Microsoft Edge. If there's a side where Microsoft Edge might please more people than the browsing side is on PDF viewing, and there's a lot of things that you can do. The PDF viewer is very good. It is simply one of the great PDF readers out there. I use it all the time. I like to have PDFs in the browser. You can, of course, easily switch the size of the PDF itself. You have the ability, of course, to read out loud, so you can actually click the read aloud. You can annotate or highlight stuff. So if you need to highlight, you can go and you say, just like a book, you want to highlight some of the things. I think the blue, and then it's like, okay, I want to highlight this part here. You can highlight it, and it's going to stay on that page, and you can highlight all sorts of parts. Save the PDF with the highlights. You can, of course, write on it. So sometimes you might want to take notes, or you just want to, track attention. You're just like, okay, this is something interesting. I'm just going to circle it, or anything. If you have a touch screen, it's even more interesting because you can, or a pen, you can, of course, write, you can annotate, you can do a lot of stuff. Of course, the ability to erase, print, save it to your computer. But I have to say that as a PDF reader, and it's going to get even better because it's getting new features all the time. And when that happens is that, you'll have even more possibilities with the viewing and the edition of any PDF on your computer. So, this is in a response to a question from someone that viewer that said, what do I use for a PDF reader? I use to download, this or that, and it's like you don't need anything. At the worst, if you don't use Edge, even Google Chrome can now read PDFs and show them on their screen. So there's no need to download anything anymore. And more and more I tell everybody, don't download things. Don't download extra apps. Just, use what you have. It already does the job and does it well in general. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.